Get ready to be amazed cause this get ready amazed because Tsai is officially taking over Tay Internet. This viral gem is literally everywhere right now. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the engineering behind it is brilliant. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it handles heavy usage without any issues. No more wasting your hard-earned cash on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity while stocks last. Get ready to be amazed cause this get ready amazed because Tsai is officially taking over Tay Internet. This